Imagine slipping on a headset that blurs the line between your world and endless possibilities. Now, picture that experience getting even more mind-blowing. Hey everyone, if you're an Apple enthusiast like me, buckle up because whispers from the inside say the Vision Pro 2 is barreling toward us, potentially landing before the holidays wrap up in 2025. It's the upgrade we've been dreaming of, packed with game-changing tweaks that could redefine mixed reality. What do you think? Will this be the one that hooks you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's chat about it. To truly appreciate what's coming, let's rewind a bit to where we stand today. Picture this. It's June 2023 at WWDC, and the crowd erupts as Apple unveils their boldest leap yet. The original Vision Pro, a sleek mixed reality marvel blending AR and VR into something straight out of sci-fi. I've strapped it on myself, and let me tell you, it's hands down the most immersive headset I've ever lost myself in, turning ordinary rooms into canvases for extraordinary adventures. But here's the catch that keeps it from soaring into every home. That eye-watering $3,500 price tag. It positions the device as a luxury for creators, pros, and diehards, leaving the rest of us peeking in from the sidelines. Under the hood of that first-gen beauty beats the M2 chip, paired with Apple's custom R1 for lightning-fast sensor processing and eye-tracking magic. Those duo-powered early wins, but as tech races forward, they beg for an evolution. Enter the M5 chip in the Vision Pro 2, a powerhouse whisperer from leaks that's set to crush demanding workloads like rendering photorealistic worlds or juggling spatial apps without breaking a sweat. Built from the ground up for a high-stake performance, the M5 delivers blistering speeds that make the M2 feel like a warm-up lap, ensuring every gesture and glance translates seamlessly into your digital realm. And it's not just raw muscle. The internals are getting a serious glow-up too. We're talking RAM bumped up to 16 gigabytes or possibly 24 gigabytes, a storyteller's dream for seamless multitasking. Think layering complex simulations, editing 3D models, and streaming live feeds all at once without a single hitch. This extra memory isn't just fluff. It unleashes the M5's full fury, letting you dive deeper into creative chaos without the system gasping for air. But efficiency? That's where the real magic unfolds, like a well-paced thriller that keeps you hooked without draining the plot, or in this case, the battery. The M5 builds on the M4's efficiency breakthroughs, sipping power where the M2 guzzled it, which spells longer sessions in your headset before you need a recharge. Remember how the original Vision Pro drew flack for its battery-clipping adventures short? Those days could be history, transforming a cool gadget into a reliable daily companion that lets you explore virtual horizons for hours on end. Diving deeper into the specs, the M5 CPU steps up to a robust 10 cores, 6 tuned for everyday efficiency and 4 beasts for peak performance, outpacing the M2's 8-core setup and handling everything from subtle animations to epic simulations with finesse. Then there's the GPU, rumored to climb to 10 or even 12 cores, eclipsing the M2's 10 and building on how it first outgrew the M1's 8. A 12-core GPU? That a visual feast waiting to happen, supercharging graphics-heavy apps and making every rendered scene pop with lifelike detail that pulls you right in. Yet the crown jewel might be the neural engine's glow-up infused with cutting-edge AI cores akin to those debuting in the A19 Pro for iPhones. This isn't subtle. It's a revolution tailored for the Vision Pro's data-hungry soul, crunching real-time feeds from cameras and sensors to sharpen tracking, elevate rendering, and intuit gestures like a mind reader. Imagine your headset not just reacting, but anticipating, weaving AI smarts into the fabric of mixed reality. The M5 isn't merely faster, it's wiser, turning the Vision Pro 2 into a portal that's as intelligent as it is immersive. Of course, the million-dollar question lingers. When can we strap this on? Leaks paint a tantalizing picture. Some swear it's eyeing a 2025 curtain call, just 2 years after the original's debut, especially since that launch oddly skipped the fresher M3 for the M2. It feels overdue, and rumblings point to an October drop, syncing with the M5-powered iPad Pro refresh. But hold on, conflicting Intel flags the R2 chip, the Eye in Motion wizard, for a 2026 rollout, stirring up scenarios like a delayed Vision Pro 2, a misdated leak, or even a budget-friendly sibling model with an A-series twist, as analyst Ming-Chi hints at a sleeker, more affordable variant. For now, the stars align for a 2025 arrival, though 2026 isn't off the table. We'll need Apple's word to settle the suspense. Wrapping this tale tomorrow, the M5 stands as the beating heart of it all, promising surges in speed, stamina, and smarts that elevate the Vision Pro from niche novelty to essential powerhouse. It's the upgrade that could silence skeptics, layering AI wizardry over buttery performance. So, are you buzzing for the Vision Pro 2? Would you take another swing at it? Or does that steadfast $3,500 sticker shock still feel like too steep a cliff? It's the gatekeeper to all this brilliance, keeping it elite while tempting us to dream bigger. Will Apple ever nudge it lower, or is the M5's muscle worth every penny? Share your take in the comments. Does the price kill the hype for you, or are you ready to invest? If this peek into the future lit a spark, smash that like button. Subscribe for more Apple deep dives, share with your tech crew, and ring the bell so you never miss the next twist. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.